book is 423. The book type is a book, and sales per month hit calculate is 3,959 sales per month and 264 sales per day. So we're going to do some calculation here. I already did this prior to the video, fill this in, but the estimated royalty is 263. So 263, $2.63 times 3,959, 3,959. So this person is making approximately $10,000 per month, and per day is 263, 264 times $2.63, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 263. So per day is 694, and per month is $10,000 per month. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly what this niche is and where you can get the interior from. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching till the end. Let's go. So guys, this is that niche. The niche is called Easter dot to dot. I know dot to dot shouldn't be new to you, but this one right here, I didn't add it to the top 6 niches when I was doing top 6 niches for Easter. I didn't include it because it didn't pop up on my radar on the flying research tool that I use. But this time around it did. This is it right here, guys. So making more than 1,000 sales over the last 30 days, has 30 reviews, price $7.97. So that's why I did a special video for it, because making more than 1,000 sales alone, and Easter is quickly approaching. So I have to get our books up as soon as possible. So this Easter book, let's take a look inside dot to dot. The beauty about dot to dot all these activity books is that you don't have to create it, but I'm going to show you a tool that you can do it automatically. So this is it. It has the numbers on the tool like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect the dots pages to color cute illustrations of bunny egg and more. So we have book 3 or 5. This is what I like looking for. So as you can see that this book is in a series, which is what I always encourage people to do, so that when someone clicks it like that, they see your other books. So as I just clicked it, these books in this series is 5. There's a Easter egg coloring book, scissor skills coloring book, there's a dot to dot, there's a coloring book again, and mazes. So you see all of these activities, right? You can create that using Bookbolt. So actually it is Puzzlewiz that has these activities, but Bookbolt is a creator of Puzzlewiz. So when you click on your name, if you have Bookbolt, you can log in, click on your name, go to Puzzlewiz, and you log in. When you log in, you're going to come to a page like this that has all these activities inside. Now, the one we're going to focus on is the dot to dot, which is the one right here. It says connect the dots. And I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do this. But if you don't know how to do this, you can just watch these videos and it's going to show you exactly how to do it. And it's very easy, guys. So, guys, here's an example of an illustration I want to use. So I'm using this bunny. I got it from Vexels. Link in the description below if you're interested. And I want to have this bunny look like this. This is actually the finished product, but I want to show you how I did it. As you can see, it looks like a bunny. Here the legs, here the eye, then the ears are right here. So I did this prior to the video, but I want to show you how I did it. So here's the bunny I downloaded from Vexels right here. So that All of this is free if you're interested in using it. I mean, the illustrations, all of them are free. But if you want to use the merge designs, those ones are paid. Like merge designs like this, these ones are paid. But the other ones, like you go, just say type for bunny, and you click on PNGs. Yeah, the PNGs are free, guys. So, um, here's a bunny that I downloaded from Vexels. By the way, if you're interested in using Vexels, it's linked down in the description below. And there's a discount code to attach with it if you land on my page. My page is 25% discount, whereas on Vexels' page is 20% discount. So my audience has an additional 5% discount. So here is our bunny that we downloaded from Vexels, and what we're gonna do now is just to trace it, and we can start with the ears like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if the dots are out of place, just move it back to where it's supposed to be. And actually, I want it to go like this. So 7, 8. So I'm just gonna do this, do all the dots done. Bring back the video when I'm done. So guys, here is my finished product. I traced it out. It turned out to be um, I added the eyes, added nostrils. So when you're done tracing, just hit submit. But let me show you the settings before I hit submit. So the bleed, I put no bleed because I want it to be in the middle of the page. Then the size 8.5 by 11. There are other sizes if you want. Single-sided. If you want to do double-sided, that's up to you. But I'm doing single-sided. Then I have the color, I made it black. But you can do a different type of color if you want, maybe red. That would be weird to choose red. But any kind of color you want, you can choose it. So when you're done with that, just click. So I added page numbers too. So click submit, and it's gonna bring out that outline. When it's done, it's gonna tell you, it says your document is being processed right now. Please wait. So it's done right now, success, as you can see. So download your last document, click download and click open, and here's your document. So I added the eyes and the nostrils, but I guess it's too close for someone to determine. So maybe if you're doing a bunny like this, maybe don't include the nostrils. But this last document that I did before the video, I didn't include any nostrils, as you can see. I included the nostrils in this one, and it's not really clear what the child is supposed to do here. It's quite confusing right here. So the one that I did before the video is okay. As you can see, the eyes here and no nostrils. So as you can see, it looks like a bunny, guys. So this is exactly the best way to make a this is the best way to make an interior. Very easy to make an interior. Just grab a bunny or any other animal you want to use from Vexels or any other free page. Here is free too, and you come here to puzzle ways, you strip it out, like you make an outline, and you make a book from it. So there are other types of puzzles we can do. There's a Sudoku puzzle, Nurikabe puzzle, crossword, word search, hangman, cryptogram, word scramble, missing vowel, mind finder. So they're all tutorials here showing how to do it. This is a Sudoku, Nurikabe, crossword. So all these puzzles right here are found in Puzzlewiz. And Puzzlewiz is a monthly payment. I think it's 19.95 if I haven't mistaken, and you have access to all these puzzles to generate puzzles with them. If you're interested in using Puzzlewiz, there's a link in the description below. You can use the code Make Money Online, all lowercase letters, for a 20% discount. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.